Hello developers, in this video tutorial I am going to teach you how to download file from URL to Google Drive using Google Colab in Python. As you can see that I have already posted an article about this topic on my blog codingdiksha.com. I have also given this article link on the video description. If you don't know what is Google Colab, then don't worry. Actually Google Colab is a project which is used to write and execute Python program in browser. Okay, let's move on to the video tutorial. First you have to create a new notebook. For that open this link. Let me show my Google Drive. Before that, as you can see here, there are no files showing inside my Google Drive. As you can see here, I move to bin, I move to my drive option. There are no files. Okay, now I am going to create a new notebook. For that you have to click file, new notebook. Click file, then new notebook. Now it is creating a new notebook. It is successfully created. It will take a couple of minutes. That's it. Okay, then we need to import Google Drive. Then we need to mount the Google Drive. For that you have to use this Python code. Copy this, then paste it here. Then click the run button. Okay, you can also use Ctrl plus enter shortcut to run the code. Otherwise you can click the run button. When I click that, it is showing connecting here, initializing, connected. Now it is asking permit this notebook to access your Google Drive files. You have to click connect to Google Drive option. It is open the choose an account page. You have to choose the email ID. Now it is asking the permissions. You need to click allow. That's it. It will automatically get the authorization code and automatically mount the Google Drive. As you can see here, now it is showing a message mounted at content G drive. But in my article, I uploaded this screenshot because once upon a time Google will show the URL. You have to open the URL manually. Then you have to accept the permissions. Finally, you have to copy the authorization code and you have to paste the authorization code on the respective box. Then only Google Drive will be mounted. But currently it will automatically mount the Google Drive. You no need to do these things, right? Okay, now I am going to use this Python code. Click code, then paste the code. As you can see that I imported the requests. After that I mentioned the new variable file URL to the one URL sample.pdf. Then we are using request get to get the file URL and download the content. After that we open or mount the Google Drive. Then we uploaded the downloaded file in the name of python.pdf. Okay, it will automatically download file from URL to Google Drive using Google Colab, right? Okay, let me open Google Drive first. As you can see that there are no files in the name of python.pdf. Okay, let me run the code by clicking the run button. It is showing a green tick, which means the code is successfully run. When I refresh the page, you can see that python.pdf. It means it will automatically download the file. That's it guys, we have successfully downloaded the file from URL. Then we will upload it to Google Drive using Google Colab. I hope this article will be helpful for you. If you have any doubts about this article, then please leave a comment. We will help you. If you want to receive more videos about Google Colab or Python, then don't forget to subscribe this channel.